SimilarWeb.com. And if you want to get a digital marketing strategy for any business in about 5 minutes, then this is the tool to use. All you need to do is go ahead and type in a competitor or a website that has a similar audience to the one that you want to attract, and just type it in, and SimilarWeb will create a big marketing report here, really showing you a behind the scenes look at how they get website visitors. So I've typed in Aaron Brothers here, which is just an e-commerce site that sells men's bracelets, and we can see straight away how much traffic they're getting per month, what are the countries that the traffic is coming from, what are the different marketing channels that they are focusing on, even the websites that are sending them traffic, what are even the phrases and words that people are typing into the search engine that are bringing them to their site, and also even what are some of the phrases that they're advertising around. So with this information, I can really figure out what is the social media channel they're focusing on. I could create content around these terms as well for my own site, and it's just an incredible look behind the scenes at any business and how they market it. Now, you're not able to get this information, and in fact, Aaron Brothers probably are not too happy that all this information is out there, but with SimilarWeb, you can really see how they market their business, see what's successful for them, and you can take and apply those strategies for yourself. You can do it for 3 or 4 other competitors, and you can get a really clear picture of what marketing channels they're focusing on. You can go into, say, their Facebook, see what posts they're making, and you don't have to do a lot of guesswork, guys. All of the proven strategies tailored specifically to your business are out there, so check it out on SimilarWeb. You can use it for your own business to get a digital marketing strategy for any client that you come across, and also you can research the companies that you're interviewing for and really show them in a lot of detail I know how you guys market your business, and I can help improve XYZ. So that's the first tool, SimilarWeb, really a key tool for any digital marketer.